we'll guide you through how to use Krita Mobile. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Krita app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, you'll see the main interface with a blank canvas. To start your project, tap on the New File icon, which looks like a piece of paper with a plus sign. You'll be prompted to choose the canvas size and resolution. You can customize these settings based on your project requirements, or select from the preset options available. Once you've set your canvas, tap Create to begin. Now, let's explore the toolbar located on the left side of your screen. This is where you will find all the essential tools for drawing and painting, such as the brush, eraser, and selection tools. Tap on the brush icon to open the brush settings, where you can adjust the size, opacity, and flow of your brush. Experiment with different brushes by tapping the Brush Preset button to find one that suits your style. If you want to add layers to your artwork, tap the Layers icon on the right side. Here, you can create new layers, adjust their opacity, and rearrange them by dragging and dropping. This is particularly useful for non-destructive editing and organizing complex illustrations. To undo any mistakes or redo actions, make use of the Undo and Redo buttons located at the top of the screen. You can also pinch to zoom in and out for more detailed work or to get a better view of your entire canvas. Once you're happy with your creation, tap the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines, and select Export. Choose your preferred file format and save your work to your device. Remember to frequently save your progress by tapping the Save option in the menu. Krita Mobile is a powerful tool for digital artists on the go, and with these steps, you should be well on your way to creating stunning artwork. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.